Welcome to the assembly instructions for this Jeep Ride-On. In the box, you'll find the main body, steering wheel, steering rod, and backrest. Start by taking the main body and inserting the steering rod in place as shown in the video. Next, take the steering wheel, unscrew the nut, and insert two AA batteries. Attach the steering wheel onto the steering rod, ensuring it's secured by screwing the nut firmly. Turn the Jeep upside down and connect the wiring as shown. Finally, attach the backrest in its designated position. Your Jeep Ride-On is now ready for your little one to enjoy. For Jeep Star, the additional parts in the box include the backrest, handrest, and parental handle. All previous steps remain the same. With these additional instructions, replace the original backrest with the new one. Attach the handrest to the backrest, positioning each side at a 180-degree angle. Secure the handrest to the steering wheel with the provided lock. Attach the parental handle to the backrest using the lock button on the handle. Now, your Jeep Star Ride-On is fully assembled and ready for your little one's adventure.